What was the question?
Right. So we're recording or what? Okay. The clap or some clap?
I'll give you the clap, sweetheart.
What do you wish people knew about restorations before they started?
Other than it's a bad idea.
A bad idea, it's a good start.
No, I think I wish they would research the car a little bit more and then go buy a dog. I can't think of anything.
Let's take a beach buggy for example, right? You can pick one of these beach buggies up for 15k now, maybe 20. Most of them have got rusted out floors.
Yes,
Most of them have got really bad fiberglass work.
correct.
Most of them have got pretty bad paint jobs.
Yes,
If they're complied, it makes them pretty simple. If you don't have a complied car, we've got to run down the road of doing repair suits, which create another whole world of hurt. And then you've got LVV compliance as well, which is another whole world of
that's
hurt.
a whole world. So non-certified vehicles, you're looking at almost a ground-up rebuild simply because what you've got to take apart to inspect it with a view to what has to be repaired and what has to be put back together. So you know if you're buying a non-certified vehicle, you're in for a whole lot more work.
100%. So restoring a vehicle, for somebody that hasn't done it before, you'd probably buy a vehicle that's warranted and registered to start with.
Yes,
And then you've got to decide if you're going to do a bare metal respray or you're just going to do a cosmetic respray.
yeah,
How much money you're essentially going to then spend just doing the body versus looking after the mechanical side of things and making it a good driver.
yes,
So you can do two ways you restore a car. You restore a car as a good car that you can take to just about any show and it looks nice and it drives really well.
yeah,
Or you take another completely different approach where you build a car that would win any concourse,
yes.
but you'd never drive that car.
No, you wouldn't.
So you still need to decide before you start building the car what you want to achieve.
It all comes back to what's your idea, what are your expectations for building a car.
Correct.
It'll also depend on what your timeline is as well. What
Yes.
your expectations are in the allotted time that you have decided how long it's going to take before you actually know what you want. And you say, I want this car, I want it in a couple of days' time, I want it in 6 months' time, I want it for the summer. I'll rebuild it over the winter. What is achievable in that amount of time with your budget?
With your budget, 100%.
Yeah.
Because you can build a car in 3 months,
Yes.
but that requires 10 guys on it,
Yeah.
24/7.
Yeah. I can't answer, I'm driving.
So we shot Trevor speaking.